it's Mr. James here. Welcome back to the channel. Let's see, it is day 25 of our corn earworm project, and we have some more and more worms that are pupating. So they're they're moving out of their larval stage, out of their instars and into pupa. So you'll see that today, and because we have so many doing that, within I believe it's like 10 days they will emerge as adults. So some of them did that 4 days ago. Some of them are just now within these last 4 days have pupated. So I needed to set up a way to take care of the pupa as they become adults. So I'm gonna switch my camera around here and show you how I have this set up for our pupa that are about to become adults. What I did is I set up a butterfly house. So this is like it's kind of like a mesh kind of thing. You can see mesh has a zipper door. The front is clear plastic, so you can kind of see in and see what's going on. And then so to kind of organize so that we knew which worms pupated and turned into adults, or well, we know when they pupated, but so that we would know which ones became adults at the same time or at the right time, we have labeled them. So we started out just putting them on the paper, but they like to wiggle, these little pupa do, which is kind of creepy and weird. So we had to figure out a way to keep them from moving all over the paper. So we just used the lids from their little containers and have done it that way. So there's only one out of the control group that has pupated. Quite a few out of the food coloring, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 have pupated. You can see this guy right here. Let me get out of the light. This one right here is very freshly pupated. You notice that the ones that have been pupa for longer are considerably darker. But this one, I would imagine probably pupated last night or this morning. We got into the ones that are in the larger environment. So we use the lid from those Petri dishes. Obviously you can see with the blue, I marked them in quarters, and hopefully they won't wiggle out of the quarter of each of those lids. And then down here we've got all of the ones from the dark, which it's amazing how many from the dark. So all of these are out of the dark group. And here's another one right here. There it is. Looks like it's number 14, that is also freshly pupated. It's kind of cool. If you kind of look at it up close here, you can kind of see sort of the morphology of the old worm there, or the body shape of the old worm. So to the right is all of like the end of the caterpillar, and up at the top here is actually where the butterfly wings are gonna and the different body parts, the thorax and the head, are going to show up on the moth when it emerges. So kind of cool stuff, but yeah, not a lot else to share with you about the project. So I'm going to take this piece of paper, carefully put it inside the butterfly house over there, zip it up, and then we'll just be checking on it each day to see which ones become adults first. Talk to you later. Have a great few days here. Bye-bye.